Yeah, the DDG Squad official merch is now live. You can scroll down right under this video. Make sure you click it and check out the official store on Teespring, or you can go to the link in the description. We got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got phone cases, we got leggings, we got everything for the ladies, the men, the kids, whatever you need. The DDG Squad official merch is fire. Get it now. It's only available for a limited time only. Hurry up, let's get it. Yes, sir. So guys, today is a very big day. Got my lights on in the Ddg Mansion.
It's my first time here, cuz.
Pretty first time here.
Bro.
Like it?
I love it, bro. I didn't get to see shit. It's just so spacious. Like,
I'm gonna show you downstairs and shit. I get a little house tour and whatever.
Bro, this already is bigger than my whole apartment.
It's cool, man. It's like 7,000 square feet.
This is lit, man.
It's a great size. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do though. I'm about to knock out all these floors. White marble.
White marble.
White marble.
Now look me in the face and ask me if I know what that is.
Marble is like the
thing on your sink.
Yeah, like the glass.
Yeah.
It's just white.
Yeah.
Got little gray little swigglies in it.
Yeah. Okay.
Toilet work?
You guys are soap? Because the toilet work.
But I don't. So don't shake my hand. But
have anybody jerked off here yet?
Nah, I haven't. I want to.
I'll be back.
So yeah, I'm about to take my first pee in my mansion, guys.
Let's do it.
Hold on, real quick. Was that the first
What
person?
you mean, let's do it? Nigga, you fucking
Hey, was that the first person to take a piss in your house?
Somebody that was in here probably took it before you. It ain't too many spiders in this hole either.
Yeah, it's not.
Them niggas dead. Fuck that ass out here. Fuck ass. Let me go ahead and pee, y'all. This is the only time y'all ever hear me pee. It feels good. It feels amazing. I know y'all this might be TMI for some of y'all, but yeah, we all got private parts. Come on now, let me flush it. That's absolutely beautiful. Let's see if the water works. Oh my Lord. I feel like I can live in this bitch now. Before I didn't feel like I could live in this bitch. Before I didn't feel like I could live in this hole. But now I feel like I can live in this hole.
Put up a blow up bed and you're good.
That's what I'm saying.
Is the water running?
Water running, my air work, what you need?
Yeah, you got everything.
Got everything I need.
I gotta let you know one thing, Daryl. When you move in here officially, make sure this fridge actually keep food in it.
Nah, I'm gonna get a chef. I'm gonna have meal preps and shit all through this bitch.
Because, like, what has it been like?
Is that a
3 years?
cockroach?
3. Oh shit.
Is it?
I don't know what.
Nigga, take me home.
I think it's spider babies. Is it spider babies?
Yeah, it's webs.
That's not the torn shit.
It's spider babies. It's
They need
okay.
to watch.
Ain't
You might
nothing.
need a new fridge in this bitch.
No, I'm not gonna lie. You need a new fridge. That's mold, bro.
Oh really?
This is mold.
I need a new fridge.
Yeah. I mean, unless you want to pay somebody to.
Trust me, I love to eat.
Nah, I can get a new fridge. It's cool. I can get a new fridge. It's cool. That's why I'm not in here yet. Cause when I remodel this bitch, I'm gonna keep the microwave. I like that microwave. I'm gonna keep that stove over there. I like that. No. This is gonna be a completely new kitchen.
You don't even like this?
No, that's nice.
This is nice.
No, it's nice as shit. Don't get it fucked up. But you gotta understand, we're elevating to a higher, like, this house is gonna be, oh, David, you want some food? Let me hop on the iPad and let me have a robot come bring you that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Like 3D printer that 3D prints the food out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking online for one of them.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to start doing. So I don't have to, like, it could be 4 a.m. I 3D print something in my bed and I start eating.
Right.
So I'm about to start doing that.
Yeah.
Real shit, you know what you should do? You should be the first person to go back in space because the NASA closed that shit down and then come back with some food. I'm just leave.
Don't ever try to come up with it. You got a blue face shirt on.
Blue face, baby.
Wow, shit. This is my first time seeing these lights, y'all. I rock with these lights. These are the type of lights that I want throughout the house. So you can see, like, you got fluorescent lights and then you got these little old looking color lights. You know what I mean? But the fluorescents right here.
You know what
Old looking ones. What?
You could like put like that, like you can go to Home Depot and get the new light bulbs. You can change the color off your phone.
Oh yeah. I'm doing all that. Change it with the iPad. Change it with the iPad. I'm gonna have a robot doing all that shit for me. You know what I'm saying? And people, I looked it up. You can get a robot. It's like 20,000. You get a robot cook for you and shit.
Nah, I was on.
She bad too.
She bad?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, but I don't think Kennedy
I
gonna
was at
fuck
Hot
with that.
Topic. They have like this new feature for like the premium users. Like there's like this robot. Not only can she like cook or like change the color of the lights,
Yeah.
she can actually give you head too. So
Really?
that's kind of like my next part.
It don't hurt.
It like, you know how like you ever got hit with braces? It like you kind of don't feel the metal. So it has like organic tongue. It's like non-GMO.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it's like made out of no animal products. So it's like safe to use for all type of people. So.
Alright, so did you really look into that for your dreads? So they can actually fix your dreads for you? Because them bitches need to get taken care of, bro. On me. Like, I know a robot could do it, but like...
Did you just call me the N-word?
Nah.
Well, you got a blue face shirt on.
Blue face!
Oh! Let's try this out right here.
This one mine right here?
Nah, it's the master, my guy. It's the master, my guy.
I don't gotta have this one. It's smooth up.
This is
Ain't tripping.
my room.
Damn.
Welcome.
Damn, wait, so like... Can I just put a bed in here?
Nah.
All your Givenchy could go all here, right?
Nah, and this one I think I'm gonna have like all this is gonna be like remote control.
Okay.
So like I press a button and they bring me whatever shirt. Like I type it on the iPad.
So
the
basically
iPad.
what you're saying is every button you press, it's gonna be a new Richard Miller that pulls up.
Yeah.
You know what you should do? You know those suction cups?
Big spider,
Like a
huh?
suction cup dildo, and then a person stand right here, jump really high, and then go back home.
Oh, that'd be lit. I'm gonna knock out all these little call boxes. This is for the door talk and calls and stuff like that. You know.
What was that? Oh, like squeaking noise.
Oh, that's the fucking fire detector, whatever it's called. Voila, magic.
You got a roommate who's moved in already? Oh wait, this is what? I don't know. She just went over there.
For
She
real?
went white. Now finish on the rest of the rooms though.
Oh, let's go over here.
Look.
Got like 4 rooms right here. Nah, actually it's 3 rooms. There's 3 rooms up here. But all this floor right here, this floor is gonna be whitewashed hardwood. Whitewashed hardwood. If you guys,
Is that supposed to be a joke against me? Or?
no. We all know you white. But if you ever watch the Ace Family house tour, cause you know they got like 10 million views or whatever, it's lit. They got like a they floors is like hardwood whitewash. It's really nice. And I'm gonna go with that. I think that's gonna be fire.
So is this gonna be Kennedy's room? Or is it Baker's room?
This is gonna be my daughter's room.
Daughter's room?
But I might as well turn it into a game room because I'm having a son. Yes. This is where I'm gonna put my first Grammy, as y'all know. I said that multiple times. That's gonna be amazing, or whatever other award I won for music.
Put the I was valedictorian.
Like
there.
diploma.
Like the I was valedictorian right here. Like,
Nah, I was gonna put that on my front door.
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got a light on my damn patio now.
Shout out to David for turning on the electricity.
I mean, the electricity was already on. I just didn't know which thing to flick.
So he was like, let me ask my white friend.
You used to work in houses, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it was like, let me ask my friend. We just happen to be white.
I remember you built that house for what's his name? RuPaul.
Yeah.
And then, like, he was-
Since I met you.
Yeah, and you said that you was building the house and then he came back too early. He started popping you. And shit. The dining room?
You're gonna have that bitch fresh, right?
I feel like every black
You're
house
not gonna use it.
don't use a dining room. My dining room, when I was growing up, even though our house wasn't big, that shit did not get used.
I
mean-
use my dining room every night. I was really forced to sit down and eat in the dining room.
You don't eat in the kitchen.
But the thing is, bro, if you look at it, what the fuck is this for? What is this
That's
for?
an unnecessary living room.
You know what I'm saying? What if I just knock this whole wall out?
Literally, you have this, right? And you go
Wow.
But it's a bathroom, right? Well, no, the bathroom wouldn't get touched.
You have this whole thing.
That's what I'm saying. Listen, bruh. What if I blop, blop, blop? Or if I knock this wall out right on this side right here, open this up. Now it's like a go around. You can go around living room.
You
I was gonna make this into, if anything, I was gonna make this into an office.
Okay.
This has the office vibes already. It's
Yeah.
clean job. I mean, you gonna redo it.
Oh, of course, everything gonna be white in here.
This damn there's a bedroom with doors that open different.
Blueface, baby.
Wow! We at Ddg Mansion right now. First time here, kind of nervous. We got a sauna. Where's that?
It's in here.
Oh shit.
First time in the sauna, kind of nervous.
Kind of nervous.
Did Biggie start that shit?
I don't know, but she branded it.
Yeah, that shit funny
She
as
just
fuck.
texted me a feet pic. I tried to bury her.
Oh, man. That's what's up.
Damn, it says sauna on the door.
Yeah. Whoever. Ooh, well, I'm finna have some videos out this hoe.
I thought there was a spider, bro.
Yeah.
Might be.
You really scared the fuck out of me. I'm not
It
gonna lie.
might be. Spiders ain't shit, dog. I'll whoop their ass, nigga. No girl.
Have you ever texted a spider?
What?
I used to talk to one.
For real?
Niggas is crazy.
Nah, but they crazy, but like the personalities be hidden. There's a spider web right there though.
Yeah.
I'm not going in
I
there.
just hit that bitch.
Yeah.
What?
This is crazy. They be tripping over everything. I literally be like,
They
nigga,
added spiders.
fucking
spiders
going
are like
through my phone and shit.
Latinas, like the
Yeah.
attitude.
Yeah.
But it's worth it because like spiders' juices be hidden.
They do. That shit do be hidden.
Like give you power.
Yeah. It's
Not that
crazy.
venom, like, you know, you ever been sucked up and the venom just hit you and your eyes are on the back of your head?
Nah, you ever?
None of the jokes that you're saying today are hidden. I'm so sorry, David.
You really got a backyard. That was not funny.
Now this is a theater, so I'm gonna throw up a little thing right here. Had a little projector up there. I'm gonna have some nice little comfy seats right here.
Theaters are a good flex, but be real. How many times you gonna use this, you think?
Probably twice,
Ever, right?
maybe twice. But I'm gonna have little get-togethers. Look, come on here. Let me show you the vision. Let me show you the vision. I'm gonna show you the vision.
I'm gonna tell you all the times you're gonna use it.
Look, look, look.
Super Bowl, NBA Finals. That's it.
Look, listen. Arcade games around here, right?
Okay.
Wait, so you telling me?
No, wait, hold on. I'm about to blow your mind. Arcade games around here, right? Liquor all through here. All types of liquor, right? Whole little vibe, TV, couches, everything, right? Everybody pull up. We play a little bit of game, hookah. We play a little 2 hookah, 3 hookahs.
Okay.
We play a little bit of game, little card games, you know, whatever we do. Hey, y'all trying to watch a movie? Voila, magic.
Okay, I feel it. Watch some old Disney Channel reruns. Anything.
Yeah, for real. Come in here, though.
How you doing? Now we just keeping.
Oh, this ain't it. I just seen this light on when I came in here. This garage is nice though. There you go. This is a decent garage. This garage straight, ain't it?
Yeah.
I would like to change out the doors, but I don't think that matters that much. I don't think it
You
matters.
rap, right?
Yeah.
And what is this called?
What is this called?
Yeah, there's space to rent.
It's called the Raji.
How many cars can fit in here?
Shit like 10. Turn up sideways and shit. What'd you say?
You have a wine cellar? What the fuck?
You didn't know that?
Spider webs be everywhere, bro. Look at this. Let's really turn this on, bro.
Look at that big bitch.
Wow.
It's a big nigga. I told you bring your strap.
Shit.
Fuck it
I
though.
left it.
This is my time.
It
to
goes
go.
upstairs too?
Yeah, let's go back to the living room.
Oh.
Full circle. This wine cellar beautiful though. But I think I'm not gonna make this a wine cellar. I don't drink wine, I drink Henny. So I'm gonna just knock all this out, make it into a studio.
Or you can just do
This is perfect, bro. This is a
Nah,
vibe.
yeah,
Come
this
to the
is it.
studio. Bah, 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 bah.
Yeah, no.
Bah.
Do this,
You was
do
just
this.
you was just across the way at the movie theater, and you come over record. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, this is definitely studio.
The movie theater for sure. I mean, studio for sure. Ain't nobody gonna use no goddamn wine cellar, nigga.
Just like this.
Who really drinks wine these days? Everybody drinks heroin. You gotta be the shower, huh?
Nah, it's shit used to happen in my crib. None of y'all really go about love. It's this. My toilet used to do this.
For real?
Yeah, I swear. Once you turn the fucking knob, I don't know how to do it. I remember I used to know how to do it. Once you turn the knob, it stops.
Fuck, I'm about to turn the power off anyway.
Yeah. I know I got a spot in my dress.
Yeah.
on me. You want me to go grab that strap? Go kill that?
I'm gonna kill him, huh? Hold this real quick. I tired of them pulling up in my crib. They think everything is sweet.
Let's go.
Look, niggas sweet. It's on sight. Yeah. Nothing nice. Home defense on ice. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Shots over spiders. Checks over spiders. That's what I like. It's no respect. When I shoot a spider in his way, like oh shit, the shots that I took. West like I'm coming, bitch. I'm coming, bitch. I'm on my way, nigga. And I put that on everything, Bryce.
Wait. Whenever you alright.
Nigga, when you pulled up to my crib, nigga, I told you off jump, bro. Don't come to my crib, bro. Nigga, this is my house, bro. I just got the spot. Nigga, I told you, when I pull up, you move out. And you didn't move out, bro. And I told him, bro, like, I told him over and over, bro. Now you gotta die, bitch. Pussy ass nigga, hoe ass hoe. Pussy ass bitch, hoe ass hoe. Getting shot at your fucking head, dumb bitch. Yes, sir. Fall down. That metal on this trying to leave. That motherfucker moving. Get down, hoe ass nigga!
When that shit shoot back at you, he gonna just jump on your face.
I be ODing this fucking spider spray, huh?
Yeah,
I ain't gonna lie. You know, it actually takes like a couple of minutes to actually kick in.
Oh, for real? Oh, sorry.
He did. He gonna die.
He gonna die regardless.
Yeah.
Is that considered?
How the hell did he got enough strength to stay up there? How did he have enough strength to stay up there? You close enough you can see him? Oh! How did he got enough strength to stay up there when he went?
See, Daryl, I'm gonna be honest with you.
What?
I wasn't valedictorian. You should know stuff like this.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. Shit. I ain't studied spider in high school, nigga. I studied math, social studies, fucking science, and some other bullshit, nigga. And that's why I was valedictorian. If I would have studied spiders, I wouldn't have got valedictorian. Another bitch right here. Oh, that nigga failed.